This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com/Psychetruth.
Hey guys, it's Monica. Welcome to DanceFit. Today we're going to be doing a 10-minute cardio ballet burn. This is great for all levels, even beginners. DanceFit is a great way to burn lots of calories and have a lot of fun. You don't need any equipment for this workout, but I do recommend that you do it barefoot so you get more flexion with your feet and mobility. So here we're gonna start with our arms up, and then they're gonna go down into a plie. So lift, down. Make it even bigger. Now here, lift into releve. Few more, 8 more. Four more. Now here we're going to circle those arms around and releve. 8 more times. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that releve up. Bring those feet together. Sink low. Arms right in front. You're going to open, close. Now here, hold, pulse it down. 8 more counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold. Pulse those knees out. A few more here. And bring it all the way up. Release. And here we're going to chasse, point. Chasse and point. Now add the leg lift, up. Now hold it here. Here we're going to bring those arms up and we're going to sweep right to left. Make those movements bigger, lift up. Now we're gonna blend both of those movements together. We chasse, point, chasse, point, and 4, 3, 2, again. Chasse, point, and tap. Now we're gonna lift the leg off the ground and lift. Again. Make it even bigger. Two more times. Good job. Come back to that plie. You're down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift. Come back down into that plie. Arms in front, open, and close. Catch your breath. One more time. And bring those arms up, plie. Good job. So here, release from that releve, and you're gonna bring your arms up. We're gonna go into some plie jumps. If you don't wanna jump, you're gonna plie here. Okay, so plie. Even more, you're going to jump. And catch your breath, lift. And back to those jumps. And lift that leg up. Back to those plie jumps. And lift. And jump. And lift. 4 more here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch your breath. Bring those arms up. So here we're going to step out in a wide second position into a plie. We're going to bring those arms out, and we're going to do a little sequence here. You're going to bring it into a lunge, and you're going to go down, and close. Up, down. Keep it moving. Make those movements even bigger. Get lower into that lunge. Now we're gonna fan the arms here. A few more times. Last one here. Now here, hold, plie. Now here we're gonna open and close. You're gonna close, open. Few more. Now here we're gonna hold for 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. And switch. And single it out. Here, close, open. Back to that first sequence. Down, up, reach those arms. Good. Now here, hold center and up. 2 more deep breaths. Now double time here, down, up. Good job. Here, bring it to center, bring those arms up. Thanks so much for dancing with me. I hope you had fun. Make sure to hydrate, and I hope you'll join me for more DanceFit workouts. Be sure to let me know what you thought of this class. I always love hearing from you guys. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration. I designed this workout program to give you targeted muscle groups that you can work on. Once you feel comfortable doing these beginner and intermediate videos, then you'll be ready for the advanced total body workout at the end of this program. If you'd like to see the rest of this program right now, you can go to Amazon Prime Video and the Yoga Plus app.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.